Comfortable?
No.
Good. So how was your food last night?
It was great, I guess.
Oh yeah? What you have?
And, ACP with shrimp.
Whoa! That was no ACP. You had a shrimp fried rice, right? Not no chicken with shrimp fried rice. That would be ACC is what you had. Not no ACP. Don't get those other 2 hours mixed up again. You understand me? Good. Let's talk about the main root of this issue here. You had the ACC last night, and you tipped nothing. Why was that?
But I didn't really have to.
Are you trying to tell me that Ruthie wasn't great at her job?
No, she was great. Excellent.
Oh, so she was great at her job. Really didn't seem like it. Left her a big fat donut with a slash in the middle. The disrespect.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't know. I could give you this coupon I got from Fresh Fries for a free smoothie.
Listen here, Jacob. This your second offense. If I ever get another complaint about you doing this nonsense again, I ain't gonna be so nice next time. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Good.